Hello kids, I'm back with another video for you. It is again from Gunjan 2 and we will be learning 4th chapter today. The name is Ibn Battuta. Who is Ibn Battuta? This is this person. The name of this person is Ibn Battuta. Okay, and thank you for liking my channel, loving me so much. This motivates me to make more videos. I would like you all to share and subscribe my channel. So we will start the chapter. Charcha kare. Charcha kare means we should discuss it. Let's discuss. जब तेज हवा के साथ बारिश भी आती है तो क्या होता है? So when it is windy and with that it is raining, what happens? Have you experienced it ever? If you have experienced it, you should write that in comment box so I can read what you have experienced. Okay. Next is आंधी में अगर बाहर जाएं तो क्या होगा? So if it is windy, dusty, if you go out, what happens? What will happen? Now, this is what happened to Ibn Battuta. And what happened to you if you have ever went outside in that such kind of climate? Please let me know. Write in your comment box. Okay. Ibn Battuta जी तेज तूफान में बाहर निकल गए तो क्या हुआ? So, Mr. Ibn Battuta went out in a windy, dusty climate. What happened? So first we will read this. Okay. So I will read it in rhythm so you will understand the pronunciation in Hindi, and then line by line I will tell you the explanation also. Okay. So Ibn Battuta पहन के जूता निकल पड़े तूफान में, थोड़ी हवा नाक में घुस गई, थोड़ी घुस गई कान में, कभी नाक को कभी कान को मलती इब्न बतूता, इसी बीच में निकल पड़ा उनके पैरों का जूता, उड़ते उड़ते जूता उनका जा पहुंचा जापान में, इब्न बतूता खड़े रह गए मोची की दुकान में. So every poem has rhymings, right? Rhyming words. So here also you can see तूफान में, कान में, इब्न बतूता का जूता, then जापान में, दुकान में. Okay, so in this poem these are the rhyming words. So now we will explain it. Okay, so Ibn Battuta is the person. पहन की जूता, he wore the shoe. निकल पड़े तूफान में, and he came out in the storm, in the windy climate. थोड़ी हवा नाक में घुस गई, थोड़ी हवा में some air, नाक में घुस गई means in the nose it entered, and थोड़ी घुस गई कान में, and some air went inside his ears. So some air went inside his nose and some went inside his ears. So what happened? This is dusty air, right? So whenever dusty air goes inside our organs, it is allergic. So whenever a dusty air goes inside your nose, you keep rubbing your nose. So that's what he is also doing here. कभी नाक को कभी कान को means sometimes he rubs his nose and sometimes his ears. Malte Ibn Battuta. Malte means rubbing. So Ibn Battuta sometimes he rubs his nose and sometimes he rubs his ears. इसी बीच में निकल पड़ा उनके पैरों का जूता, and while he was doing all this, his shoe came out. उड़ते उड़ते जूता उनका जा पहुंचा जापान में, and the shoe started flying with the air. So the air was moving the shoe and the shoe went to the Japan. Ibn Battuta खड़े रह गए मोची की दुकान में, and Ibn Battuta, where he kept standing? He kept standing in the cobbler's shop. Okay, So this poem is really interesting. Please read it once again. If you are not able to understand, you listen to the video once again. If you have any problems, you can comment in the comment box, or you can write me on my email ID, which is atharvemporium@gmail.com. I am writing my email ID in the description box and on the video also. So please note it down. If you have any problem, you can contact me any day. Thank you.